Let me show you an easy way to create premium looking gradients in Photoshop. Start it with a black background. I like it to has like 2% brightness. I'm gonna press OK. Make sure that the layer is activated. I'm gonna press Alt and Backspace to apply my color to the background layer. Now draw a circle or any shape with your preferred color. So I'm going to take my ellipse tool and make sure that it's set to shape. And I'm going to choose my color just like this without stroke, and I'm drawing my circle like this. Now I'm going to duplicate it with press and hold Alt, do a single click and moving it to the bottom. Then I'm going to change its color to this one. I do the same process with the other circle and make sure that the bottom one is activated. I'm gonna change its color to completely white, then press OK. Then from the layers panel, active all the circles, press and hold shift, select the topmost and do a single click like this, right click and convert it to a smart object. Now I'm gonna adjust the size and position. Alright, it's fine. Next, go to the filter, blur and choose Gaussian Blur. I'm gonna put it right here, just like this. Now increase blur until it creates a smooth looking gradient effect. Alright, it's fine. I'm gonna press OK. Now for the last step, go to the filter, noise and add some noise. Press OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for new incoming videos.